Kulish bun fibro sakwe pat ka result kami minta kasngihi new trick me arjar apsan jong ka MPSC hi. The result of the interview to the post of junior grade finance and account officer, treasury officer of Meghalaya Finance Service January 2024 conducted by the commission on the 24th April 2025 is hereby declared minta kasih ke new trick me arjar apsan. The name of the successful candidate teng jongi candidate kilong anak on reserve kategori dari Camelia Jin Bakordos M dia anak on reserve kategori dan Anish Mingnam di Sangma napok garu kategori, Jinda Rani Armarak napok garu kategori dan Stefan Nongsteng napok khasi jaintia, Yapi Thier Nella Taryang napok khasi jaintia dan Sengprang M Sangma napok garu, Down to Jingjang R Sangma napok garu an Evan Bet Kharjana napok khasi jaintia kategori. Te baro kidon kumba prango de kiba along successful namta kaneka post jongka junior grade. Te congratulations namta kini baro prangut kibalayo tangine kijang tip kule shubun.